Hey guys, so I just wanted to apologize for how chaotic this intro is. As you are about to see, it was extremely hard to film an intro in a car full of 5 crazy loud girls. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Just sorry for the craziness, and I hope you enjoy. Good morning! Hello. Hello everyone, how are we? Welcome back. So this video is actually going to be a weekend in my life because we have lots going on this weekend.
Did you vlog last night?
No.
Where in God's name are we?
So,
no, man.
As you can see, we don't really know what we're doing.
Oh, I looked up the amount of parking and it was $30.
This bitch is trying to vlog and we keep
if we're gonna split it, it's
all
only
good.
like $6 if we're gonna do that.
So we're going to the beach.
Like, get to the goddamn point.
So yeah, we're going to the beach. We're going to, where are we going?
Second Beach in Newport.
We're going to Newport. We're going to Second Beach.
Our stop sign? Yep.
We have a lot of stops to make first because we're all high maintenance.
Super high maintenance.
Everybody,
You guys, this is the first time you're seeing any of these friends' faces, and I'm shook about it.
YOLO!
So let's do a little quick intro before we get into it. This is Alyssa.
Hello.
This is Emily.
Hi.
That's Allie. And Angela is designated driver for all things.
We were driving by a cemetery when she did that. That's where they would have left us.
So yeah, we're gonna have a weekend. We haven't hung out all together in a while because Allie has been MIA out of the States.
Across the country.
She's been having a time and we're all jealous, but we're back together now. It's all good. So going to the beach, we are stopping first at where? Going to Coffee Bean, which is a local?
Yeah, I guess you would call
It's
it
a local coffee shop that we're all obsessed with. So we are getting our coffee. Some of us are getting our breakfast. And then after the Bean, we are going to Walmart.
Oh, we're going to shower.
No, we're going to the gas station.
Oh, the gas station.
Okay, so 1, Bean. 2, gas station. 4, Dunkin' Donuts. 4? What happened to 3? No, like
Dunkin' Donuts,
like
the gas station, and the
I'm saying like
the nutrition.
I'm saying
no, we're going for gas.
just for gas.
Why would we go to Bean and get coffee and then go to Dunkin' and get coffee?
What is Dunkin'? Okay, I'm so sorry. 1, Coffee Bean.
I'm
2,
breaking out.
gas station. 3, Walmart. We're going to Walmart so that we can go inside of Walmart into Subway and get lunch. And
I
then,
love this song.
I'm really sorry. I'm really sorry.
and then. So for the next 2 minutes of this video, I actually keep referring to this place as Vital Nutrition. And that's definitely not what it's called. It's called the Nutrition Station. So for the next 2 minutes, whenever I say Vital Nutrition, I am most certainly referring to the Nutrition Station. We're going to Vital Nutrition, which if you haven't heard is like a... Anj, would you care to explain?
So, we hit the Douglas line.
This place is called the Nutrition Station, and they make bomb-ass protein shakes, and I need it because I'm a little under the weather.
And I have been dying to try Vital Nutrition shakes.
If you're scared
So this will be the first time, and I am excited.
Unforgettable things. Unforgettable song.
That is all.
That's the best part of the song. You have to sing it.
We're ready. Hope you're ready too.
Are we ready?
We're not ready, but we're ready.
Nobody's
It's fine. We'll get there eventually. So to recap, Bean, gas station, Walmart, Vital Nutrition. Got it? Good.
Got it.
All right. Beach. So overwhelmed. There's so many options. Oh my god. Tea taste test. That's good.
It's refreshing.
Anj always puts these shakes and these teas on her Snapchat story, and I have been dying to try them. So we're here.
We are here.
I'm ready. I'm excited. Look at her. Wow.
It's about to happen. Ready?
Taste test.
The hurricane. Hurricane.
Oh my god. My life has changed. Wow.
First time. Your first shake.
This is insane. Wow.
On the outside, I look good. Then you met and you made me the man I am today. Tracy, I'm in love with you, no matter what you weigh. Without love, Tracy, I'll be yours forever. 'Cause I never wanna be without love. Tracy never set me free. Living in the ghetto, black is everywhere we go. In my ivory tower, life was just supposed to snap. But now I taste the chocolate, and I'm never going back without love. Like I got to break out so that I can get my hands on you. See, we all like whatever I saw. Trace, I wanna kiss you, let me out, and then I stole. Life is like my mother on a diet, like a circle with no center, like a door but do not enter. I surrender happily, so then you are this, leave me, never leave me without love.
Wow, what a great tune! A+ performance, everyone.
Touched me, you looked at me and stared when he tapped me and knocked off my feet. Yes, my heart burst, now I know what life's about. One little touch and love's knocked me out. And here we go! Round one, he'll ask me for my hand, and then round three, every kiss inside his car. Won't look my way where the laughs on them come. Can you play Mama, I'm a Big Girl now?
Oh wow, yes, I can.
Stop telling me what to do. Don't give it a rest. Stop, don't, no, please. Mama, I'm a big girl now. I got my best and lessons from you. You're the one who taught me like a twister, not a cry, just a shout, not a stop. There's no twisted to hell. Everything I'm gonna do to you and shout. Mama, I'm a big girl now. Wanna take my There we go. Stop building now. But now that I'm a woman, I like bigger men. I always told them I was running in the nest for far too long. So please get a watching on the watch me fly. Watch me fly. Show off. Hey, mama, I'm a big girl. Mama, I'm a big girl now.
I feel like you can't stop the beat. It has to happen.
Okay.
No, I don't like that one. It's so overplayed.
Oh, you want to get
That's my favorite.
You want to get?
Chicken tea tiger, tell me what's wrong. Chicken tea got you and I know. But the sun is in the sky and shining above you.
Oh my fucking god. Oh my fucking god. Get me off the fucking break.
I am breaking.
Would you like to share the backstory to that dance?
So, it was finals week. We'll start with that. About 4 hours into being in the library, I had a little bit of a nutty. So then I put that song on, and then just imagine me like in one of those wheelie chairs, just going like that around the whole library.
They're breaking.
Break!
So we made it somehow, all in one piece. Driver for all.
They're breaking. Break.
We're just setting up shop. It's beautiful here. How we doing, Em?
Great!
1 hour later.
It's a little while later. As you can see, we are wet. We went into the water.
It was so warm. It was like a bathtub.
It's like, yeah, what time is it? It's 1:15. We were in the water for literally like 40 minutes. We didn't think we were in there for that long, but we were, apparently. And now we're just chilling.
So we come back from the water to find that a bird decided to do his business on my towel. So that's kind of sad.
I'm so sad. We tried to take some cute beach Polaroids and they like didn't develop. But we took some pics. Catch them on Insta.
These two are sleeping.
Yep, they're having a grand old time. We are getting ready to leave soon because there's going to be a heck lot of traffic and there's going to be a lot of traffic. And then we're probably going to all situate ourselves and then go have a night at Alyssa's. So we're back.
We're back.
What are we doing?
What are we doing again? Oh, we're getting chicken.
We decided that we are going to make a cute little dinner together. We are back at Walmart to get the necessities for this dinner. And then we are going home and we are all going to shower and get cleansed and live life.
Live life, laugh, love. What does that say? My mom has it above our front door.
Laugh, love.
Yeah.
We are starting dinner.
Usually it's made with zucchini noodles, but Walmart didn't have good ones, so we're using pasta. But it's just that with pesto, chicken, tomatoes, and broccoli. And cheese on top. It's amazing.
I'm honestly so ready. So hungry.
Strips or fillets?
I'm ready.
A few moments later.
I just showered and feel amazing. So clean, so fresh. We love it.
I got the chicken. I cooked the chicken.
Everything looks so good.
Allie did the broccoli.
Me and Kaylee have this thing called a nut allergy, so we can't be having that pesto because there's nuts all up in there.
Which is sad.
But we're making homemade mac and cheese, so.
The next day.
Hello. Good morning. It is the next day. Last night we just went over Alyssa's and hung out and passed out at like 3 a.m. And now we are at Emily's. We got our bean. And then I requested Dunks because I don't like bean. It's a local coffee shop that we're all obsessed with. And then we Actually, I think Alyssa explained it best, so I'm going to ask you to explain our situation for today.
I made a schedule of everything that we decided to push off Friday and Saturday, but we're too stubborn to leave each other, so everybody's errands is in this one schedule.
It has taken us a good hour to actually figure out this schedule and make it work. So we're just gonna share this with you all real quick.
Okay, from 12 to 12:30, we're bringing my mom her coffee. And at 12:30 to 1, I need my drugs.
So I just wanted to clarify that we are not about to go out and get Alyssa some street drugs or anything like that. She was strictly talking about going to get a prescription at the pharmacy. That is all. Okay, continuing.
From 1 to 3, we're shopping. From 3 to 6, we are going to everyone's house as a group. So each person individually can look like a human being. And then we're going to dinner.
Yes, Angela left earlier this morning because she has to work. She works at a restaurant. So we are going to visit her for dinner later. So that's why we're all going out to dinner. But yeah, lots on our plate today. We will bring you guys along with us on this
Endeavor.
Journey.
on this journey. So yeah, I guess we will see how this goes. So, funny story. Right now we're shopping in Old Navy for Alyssa. We both used to work at this Old Navy, and we haven't been back here together in like,
It was my junior year of high school, right?
yeah, like 3 years ago since we've worked here, and we haven't been back together yet. So, we're keeping to ourselves right now.
I'm trying not to be noticeable, but these two over here are so
Screaming.
freaking loud.
Screaming.
Hey, what about the butterflies?
Example A.
What are you doing?
I'm trying it on. I don't want to go in the dressing room.
Hello. Good to see ya.
We have all just finished getting ready for dinner. If you remember correctly, the timeline said that we would all get ready from 3 to 6. We are leaving now, and it is 6 o'clock on the dot. I think we all deserve a round of applause for that. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Hi, Anj. Hello. Thanks for taking our order.
You're welcome.
I do have to give a quick shout out to both Angela and Michaela for recommending that I get the salad because it's so freaking good. We're now at Allie's. We have some new friends joining us.
We have Hannah.
Hi.
And Darius. That's Hannah's boyfriend. And that's Dom.
Say hi.
We are just all hanging out, sitting by the fire. We're gonna play a game. What's the game called?
What's the game? Who done it?
No! I can see where the confusion is because it says who most likely to.
So we're gonna play the game. Sit by the fire. You know.
Always wants to play stupid card games. Emily. That was a dumb one.
Hey, I like it.
Okay.
Is a total flirt.
Allie.
Alyssa.
Alyssa, no, Alyssa.
Oh, I know who this card goes to. Refers to themselves in the third person. Kaylee. I feel like it was Kaylee because the whole weekend she'd be like,
Alyssa.
"Hey guys, so
Give her the card. Give her the card.
bye."
I will see you all in 20 hours.
Like and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram.
So I just got home. It is... Hello? It is 11:45 p.m. Yeah. I need to go to bed right now because I have work tomorrow morning, so we're doing pretty well. But honestly, it's fine. I'm not even mad about how late I got home. I had such a great weekend. I am so happy that I decided to vlog it. I was not expecting it to be, one, this eventful, or two, this long. I did not plan on spending my entire weekend with all of my friends, but I couldn't be happier that I did. I seriously had so much fun with everyone, and I'm happy that I got to introduce them to the vlog, so that was pretty cool. So like I said, I do have work tomorrow morning, so I have to go to bed now to get like 5.5 hours of sleep. So I just wanted to come on and end off the vlog here. I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for watching. And if you liked this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe, because we are actually going on a trip to Maine in a few weeks, and I will be vlogging that. So it will be just as eventful, if not more eventful than this vlog. So make sure you stay tuned for that. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.